Hi everyone and welcome. Today we have the wonderful dish of shakshuka. It's so yummy. Here's what you need. We're gonna start out with 4 eggs, a package of feta, 2 cloves of garlic, a yellow onion, a zucchini, a red bell pepper, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, and some assorted spices. And here are all the ingredients you'll need. Feel free to take a screenshot. First, we're going to start off by slicing our red bell pepper. I like to slice it into thin strips, just like so. I'll do the same with the zucchini. I'll cut it lengthwise though, and then I'll cut it into quarters. But I like to keep the thickness the same so that everything will cook nice and even. Next, after the zucchini, I'll take the yellow onion, cut it in half, and also cut it into thin strips, just like this. Lastly, I'll take the 2 cloves of garlic, peel them, and I'll press them. Really easy. And if you have other veggies in your fridge, feel free to add those too. An eggplant is also delicious in this recipe. Now take the frying pan, turn it on to medium heat, and I'll get a little bit of olive oil and drizzle the bottom of the pan. This will help with sauteing all of our veggies and making sure that it cooks nice and evenly. Alright, now it's time to add in the garlic and the onions until everything smells nice and aromatic. Maybe 2 to 3 minutes until it's all soft. Next, I'll add in the veggies and our assorted spices. It's gonna smell so good at this point. I just love it. Give that a mix and then add in the 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. And we'll mix this together as well and wait about 10 minutes until it thickens and dilutes a bit. After that, we'll go ahead and crack in the eggs. You make little wells in here that the eggs can nestle smoothly into, just like this. And it's okay if one of the eggs don't crack perfectly. It's all part of the fun. Next, I'll add on the lid so that everything can cook nice and evenly. Once the eggs look like this, opaque, go ahead and take that package of feta and sprinkle about a ½ cup of it on top. And serve! Yum! It's so good. Feel free to serve it with a side of pita. Enjoy! Bye bye!